Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present the Suzuki Celerio 1.0 SZ2 5dr. This vehicle has 5,000 miles with full service history and is finished in super black metallic. I will now walk you around the car just to give you an insight and to the specification and condition of the car. Starting at the front of the vehicle, as you can see as we walk around down the sides, we've got 14-inch steel wheels with wheel trims, all in great condition with great tyres. Down the side we've got body coloured door handles, and as you can see from walking around the vehicle, it is in remarkable condition and needs for no paint work whatsoever. I'll now give you an insight to the interior specification and condition. So we'll start with the wide opening doors allowing ease of access. Powerful driver seat allows maximum comfort for the driver. CD radio player with FM, DAB radio and USB connectivity, which is just down below next to the 12-volt charging socket. Rear-heated screen. Very spacious little vehicle on the rear. Seats of the 60/40, and if we've space. Vehicle to encourage use on and with a service and an MOT if it is due, as well as a complimentary valet and a 3-month warranty if the manufacturer's warranty has expired. If you have any questions, please do feel free to give me a call on 0113 271 2288. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.